Class, our new topic is effects of friction. I explained you friction in my last video. So today I am talking about effects of friction. First effect of friction is friction opposes motion. It means class, if you have any object and if it is moving, it has a motion, then at that time definitely friction opposes the motion of this object. It means if you have any kind of object, either it's your car, either it's your cycle, either you are moving, it means every time when any object is moving, at that time friction want to opposes the motion of that particular object. In this time they give you the example, if we roll a ball on the ground, it gradually slows down and after traveling a certain distance it stops. The reason is that the force of friction between the ball and the ground opposes the motion of the ball and bring it to the stop. It means in this time ball is in the motion and your friction stops the motion of the ball. Similarly, if we stop the paddling the bicycle, it slows down and after traveling a certain distance it stops because of the force of friction between bicycle tire and the road. Class, your second effect is friction always acts in a direction opposite to the direction of motion. It means if your body is moving from left to right, then at that time your frictional force act from right to left. It means the direction of the friction is always opposite to the direction of moving body. It is the direction of moving body and it is the direction of friction. It means they both are always opposite to each other. It means your frictional oppose the motion of the moving body and it acts always opposite to the direction of the moving body. Third effect is friction produces heat. It means if there is a friction, definitely it produced heat. If I am talking about this eraser class, if I rub this, after some time you can feel it will become hot. What is the meaning of that? When you rub eraser, at that time because of the frictional force it gets heated. Or we can say when we rub our hand, at that time also we can feel the heat. So that heat comes from the friction, because when we rub the hand, at that time there is a frictional force, because if I am moving this hand, then if I am moving this hand in this direction, then definitely there is a frictional force which opposes the motion. So because of that frictional force, our hand feels heat. Fourth effects of friction is friction causes wear and tear. Class, the best example is your eraser. If we rub the eraser, then at that time you can feel or you can see it is wear and tear. It means it is damaged now. So because of friction it is wear and tear. The same thing you can see in the tires of cars and bikes, that after some time when we use the tires, then they are not useful after some time because of the wear and tear condition of those tires.